Let me introduce myself. My name is Dila Yunandias. On this occasion, I will present a recon text portfolio segment resulting from an interview with Dinari. The title text is My First Day of Elementary School. Hello, my name is Dinari. I remember my first day of elementary school very well. This happened in 2002, which is 22 years ago. I woke up very early to take a shower and buy breakfast. My mom helped me to get ready, and I put on my new school uniform. It felt strange but also made me feel important. My first day at elementary school was a day filled with excitement and little nervous. I live in Kendal and go to school at SD Negeri 01 Kerajaan Kulon, South Kaliwungu District, Kendal Regency, Central Java. When I go to school, I was lots of my kids my age, some of whom looked as nervous as I felt. My mother held my hand and we walked through the gate, and I could see other parents doing the same with their children. We went to the classroom where I met my teacher, Mrs. Alima. She had a warm smile and friendly voice that made me feel a little more comfortable. She greeted each student as they entered and showed us where to put our bag. The mother immediately left for work and called wait to get home, but promised to pick up her when she got home from school. Unlike other students whose parents mostly waited and even looked for a place to sit according to her parents' right for their children. I was stunned because no one directed me and just sat in an empty place at the back. Not long after, the bell rang and Mrs. Alima started the day by introducing herself and asking us to introduce ourselves. We each stood up, saying our names. I was nervous when it was my turn, but Mrs. Alima enthusiastic smile helped me talk. Talked out the morning we were given a tour of the school. Mrs. Alima introduced the school library, teacher room, principal room, toilet, canteen, and all the classroom. Then went back to class and read us a fun story about a deer going to school, which made everyone laugh and feel more comfortable. During break, I went to school canteen alone because I was an introvert child. Then I met a friend named is Anggi, and we decided to sit together in the class. Soon the other friends were shaking hands to get to know each other about where they live, how they went to school, and favorite food. After the break, the bell rang. We sang the national song Garuda Pancasila, practiced writing our names in our book. My Mrs. Alima even showed us how to use several writing tools, such as how to hold a pencil correctly, how to climb a pencil, and chalk it in the trash can. A distance at least 30 centimeters to maintenance health. Before I knew it, the school day was over and it was time to go home. My mother was waiting for me at the school gate and I ran to her. I told her all about my day and felt different from my friends because most of them were served by their parents while I was not, but my mother gave it to me. For me, the understanding that independent learning is okay. The homeroom teacher will definitely know the right seat for their student and will arrange them at a later date. My mother also worked as a teacher, so she knows how to deal with student and parents. On the first day school, I learned many things. That is, even though I was not like other children, I was waited on the first day school from entry to finish, but I grateful that thanks to my parents I was able to learn to be independent woman from an early age. I also had to be more confident and brave to start getting to know friends, to have lots of friends. Thank you.